Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can create the reverse forward control with time in Panasonic PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my Panasonic FP-X Pro tool and here we will create the reverse forward control. First of all, what we will do, we will create a one set reset, one relay. Just I will type the start push button and next I will take one output which we can give the name relay 1. Any name we can give, but I use the relay 1, and this we will attach look like with the edit tool, and this also look like, and this I will make it copy and make it here paste, but I change the tag here, change the tag this one stop push button, and this is I will give the name reset, click OK, and this we will be make the set. One latch system now is our completed. When we push the button X0, that's relay will be latched, and when we press the X1 button, that will be unlatched. And next we will be start the program from the relay 1, because of when we execute this one, after our program needs to be run. So this relay 1 we will be make it here in the next network. As you type the R, you can be get the relay 1 and click enter. And next we will be make the one timer, because of we making the program for reverse forward with the time. So how we can design, just we will find the in timer instructions, we will take the one on delay timer, this one, and we will put it here. This is we will be make the time 1 we will be fixed and click enter. This is already this variable is created, so we will look like make this one, and this line we will be connect this relay 1, and this address we will be give the name it. Here also we have to be give some name. For example, we internal memory relays we will choose the R0, and here we will be make the for some LPAS time and click enter. And here we have to be give the time for time, we have to be give the T H 5s, for example 5 seconds we will be made. And this network just I will make the copy and make it here paste, and also I will make it here paste, because of we need the 4 timers, because of one timer is for our on relay yani reverse condition, and second one is for forward condition, and one is delay for this reverse condition, and fourth is for the delay for forward condition. And one more I will be make this one paste and put it into the next network, and we will be just change the addresses of the controls, addresses of the times. This I will give the make the time 2, and this we will be give the name time 3, and this we will be give the name time 4, and this we will be give the name R2, and this we will be give the name R3, and this we will be give the name R4. So this is addresses we have to be must be careful, addresses you have to be change. And in next row we have to be make same open contact, take this one and make it here relay 1 because of this is our main relay, and click enter and make this line. And next we have to be take one more contact of the R0. Type just look like R0 when we click and make it enter, but this is we need the close contact because of whenever this is first timer start, after directly our Y0 will be on, Y0 or which relay we will be defined, that will be on, and after time finished, after this will be off. So this also will be connect look like this one. And next we have to be make the output. For example, motor we can make, give the name for motor, yani this is motor reverse we can choose and click enter and connect this line with our this look like. Okay, and next one more thing, this is R0 we takes for the close contact of the timer. And next we have to be make one more line look like, yani make this copy and we will make it here paste and same like. And this is addresses we will be change. This is a R0 we takes the close contact, and that's we will be take the open contact. So you just make it here normal, and after it will be applies. And next you have to be choose this timer also R2 close contact, you have to be choose it here. So just one more we will be take it here, and that's we will take the R2, that's the timer 2 means R2 contact we have to be choose. And next also this is R3, that's we have also choose for the close contact. One more we will be take it from here and make it look like here R, when you type after you will be you can be find this R3 and click enter. And this R3 you have to be choose close contact because of if we choose this one open contact, after when it's reversing, after this time will is the closed this is the delay time of the reverse motor. And one more we will be take it here contact for the interlock, that's when you type motor, if reverse condition you have to be put the motor forward condition, motor forward, and this you have to be choose the close contact. And here one more you have to be choose the interlock for the this reverse motor. Reverse when you type you can find the reverse motor. This is motor reverse, and click enter, and also this we will be choose the close contact. Right, now this is clear. Little I will move it here. This also I will move it little here. This is, you can think only just this is our interlock. Yani when this motor will be in reverse condition, that will be not run. When it's forward condition, that will be not run. This is the safety. Yani now let's almost our program is now completed. This is 5 seconds. Yani we put this time. Okay, let's compile the program, and now any error not have, and we will just download into the PLC and click OK, and our program is now completely downloaded into the PLC. And that start push button is inside. We have to be check the global variables x0 and x1. That's all. It's okay. Go back, and this we can cancel, and just I press the I1 x1. Now we will put it into run mode successfully. Now our program is now running, and we will check its running. Which timer is now running? Yeah, one mistake we are making now. Still we have to go into the program mode, because of when this is 4 number timer will be reset. Last time this we not put into the, this is first timer, so we have to be making the R4 here with the close contact. So R4 we have to be make it for the close contact, and go to the negate and click OK, and again download to the PLC, compile all, and click it OK. This we can cancel, and we will check this our program. 5s 5s 5s, these times are also running. Yeah, this is also one more have a big mistake, because of we not start the timers with this execution. We have to be start this one first timer. We have to be start this one R0. We have to make the open contact here for the R0. R0 you have to be put it here, and here also you have to be put this one R2. R2 select and click enter, and this we have to be need the R3. R3 and click enter. Now our program will be work properly, because of this timer needs to be start this time, and this timer start to start this timer, and this timer needs to be start this timer. So same our sequence will be after run. Hit OK, and this will be cancelled, and this is already in set mode. So which is the running? This is running and these two are running. So R0 and R2, that's R0, we will make the close contact and motor forward, and this is we will be make it also motor reverse. This is we will make wrong also. This is we have to make motor forward, because of this is will make the wrong coil. Now again download, cancel this one, and now our program is working correctly. Now forward is running. Now after 5 seconds will be delay, and after 5 seconds after our reverse motor needs to be start, and after 5-second delay our next motor needs to be start. You can see this is our motor is running in the forward condition. Now delay, right? Now motor is in running condition. Now delay, and after 5 seconds now our motor goes into the forward condition. Now wait for the 5 seconds, and again motor reverse will be start, and again when 5 seconds completed, after again delay coming, and after delay the 5 seconds our motor goes into the forward condition, right? And when you like to stop the execution, you have to be make this one false, true, and click it OK, and system will be go into the reset mode, right? Now our program is in the stop condition. Again I will scroll for you. You can see this is our start button, push button. Also you can take it as the X1 and X2, and also this is set, this is reset, and this is relay 1 is our main relay, means when this uh, all lines have the start program, this relay 1 needs to be start first, otherwise all program needs to be in stop condition. Now this 4 timers we used, one for main time and one for delay, one for main time and one for delay, right? Again I will be make the start true, okay, and this also we will be make the false, no problem, because this is set reset function. And our now motor reverse now is forward running. 5 second will be completed. After 5 second delay, after the delay runs the reverse condition, and when this 5 seconds will be completed after delay, and again our motor goes into the forward condition, right? And when you press this stop condition true, and this program will be stopped. So hope guys you will be understand about this control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.